to Vlogmas. So as promised, I am going to be shouting out the first 5 comments. So the first shout out goes to Tio1541. Thank you so much for that heart and support. I appreciate you. Second shout out goes to Hamil Carver. Thank you so much for your comment and your support. I appreciate you as well. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles and today's video is a vlog video. So I'm on my way to pick up Thanksgiving dinner. I decided that I'm not cooking this year. I just literally decided that today, and I'll talk about a little bit as to why and what brought me to that decision. But yeah, I'm not cooking this year, but I still do want to eat. We're gonna go visit some family. And I'm sorry if you can hear that heat in the background. I was gonna turn it off. Well, actually I did turn it off for just a second, but I'm gonna cut it back on because it's cold. We're gonna go visit family. We're gonna be around friends, but I still like food at home, you know, just if we get hungry again, or just to wake up and be able to eat our food. I don't really eat as much as I normally would at home at other people's houses. It just doesn't end up that way. So I'm still gonna get some food for the house, but I'm not cooking the food. So I'm gonna take you out with me. This is not my first year buying Thanksgiving dinner, but this is something that I just decided to do today because I don't want to go grocery shopping, and I'll just talk about it later. But give the vlog a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed if you're not already. Leave a comment. That really helps the algorithm. And I will pick up the vlog in just a little bit. All right, so I just picked up dinner. I did not record in there because I really was trying to figure out what I wanted. Since I wasn't in time enough to get a whole dinner, I kind of had to mix and match things together. But I'm going to show you when I get home what it looks like. And I'm still going to grab some stuff from the store. I just don't want to cook. You know, I'm starting to get in the mood where it's like for holidays, I really like to enjoy my holiday. I like to enjoy it with friends and family. Not saying that I couldn't enjoy it when I used to cook, but just saying that took some of the time away that I wanted to like rest and enjoy myself. And so this year I'm like, you know what? I'm going to be more intentional. Not even just this year. How can I say this? Really, it has been this year. This year I've started to look at life differently, prioritize different things. And one thing that I have really tried to do this year is get back some of my time, you know, and spend time doing things that I want to do. So if I want to cook, I'm going to cook. If I don't, I'm not. I've ordered from this place before. What I like about it is the fact that I can literally just have everything done. I don't have to do the hustle and bustle in the grocery store, finding the right items and spending a lot of time in the kitchen cooking. I can just literally get up, spend time with my family and friends. We can still eat a good meal, chill out the rest of the day, go visit friends and family, and just like relax. You know, that's really what I want to do. And I got everything for under $200. It was like $165 something. Yeah, $165. That's it. I got a smoked whole turkey breast. I got loaded red skin potato salad. I got baked beans with sausage. I got slider rolls. I got, what else did I get? I got some stuffing, which is still good. Even though I normally cook dressing, stuffing is good from this place. And then I got some smoked baby back ribs. And then I'm going to get some corn on the cob and some desserts and stuff like that from the grocery store. But nothing that I really have to cook. So I'll show you all what it looks like once I get home and get everything settled. And I'll pick the vlog back up in just a little bit. All right, so here's the turkey. Let me set this up a little better. Okay, so I'm going to show you all what I got. Okay, here's the turkey. This is what it looks like. It's a smoked whole turkey. The turkey was, what, $80.43. And, yeah, has the instructions on how to cook it and everything. So I'm going to put that in the fridge. They said it's super good. And they only had like 5 left. They were sold out. Like I said, the dinners were already gone. So I had to just pick from what was left. All right, and then they had some rolls, these slider rolls. Look how soft they look. Okay, and this is so good. This is my favorite. What do you call this? Why am I drawing a blank? Potato salad. This is loaded red skin potato salad with bacon and smoked cheese. So good. I got a little bit of beans because my sons don't really like beans, but I wanted to try it, so I got some beans, and then I also got some homemade sage stuffing. Normally I cook dressing, but the stuffing is good. I had it before. And I also got some baby back ribs. Now, I normally don't eat pork, but for Thanksgiving I do. Because, I don't know, I just figured, one year I tried not to eat pork for a very long time. Like, just not eat pork at all. Or just see how long I can go. And then on Thanksgiving, I was eating and someone was like, do you know what's pork in that dish? And I'm like, no. I'm trying to make this a little clearer. So I'm like, you know what? Since I don't know what people put pork in, I guess I can ask. But whatever. For Thanksgiving, I'm going to eat some pork. So I have some baby back ribs. These are smoked barbecue baby back ribs. I got 2 of these. And then I'll just get some side vegetables and some desserts and stuff. But I still need to go get my kids from school. I just loaded the Black Friday sale last night. So I got some inquiries about that. I'm going to respond back to my chats. I got some comments under my videos that I need to respond back to. I've been getting comments on some of my older videos. I appreciate it, you all. Whenever you leave a comment, it really helps the algorithm. So if you're watching an older video, go back and leave a comment, please. Or leave a comment right then and there. If you just got done watching a video, please go back and leave a comment. If you forgot, like the video, do all of that good stuff. I also need to post my credit repair podcast that was supposed to be out yesterday and didn't make it. So I need to go ahead and do that too. So I'm talking kind of fast because I'm on a time schedule. I need to go get my kids right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get them, and then I'll tune back in. I'll pick you all back up in just a little bit. Okay, you all, welcome back. Today is actually another day. I'm at my mom's house and I want to show you all another project that she did, a DIY project. And this is a light that she created. I'm going to let her tell you how she created it, what she used, but I think it's so cool and cute. The light does come on. She's going to show you in just a little bit. But that's what I'm saying. Like, I want to do some DIY stuff on this channel. I did show you the picture that she created out of a shower curtain and some other stuff. It's an inside joke. And some other stuff in another vlog. But yeah, I'm just going to keep updating you all. As long as her creativity keeps producing, you know, this cool stuff, I'm going to definitely show you all.
So it's a hanging lamp, and first of all, I redid the chair. Okay.
Oh, yes, I forgot about the chair.
I did that in some Bochet fabric.
Okay.
And so it's really soft, but it's got the texture of like Sherpa. Okay, so I did that, and I did another chair, and then it just looked by itself over here. So I'm going to add a mirror that I'm making over here, the frame for that. I don't know why I make stuff, I just like doing it, but it's very therapeutic to me. So this I decided to make the wooden bowl lamp. I thought it was really cute. Saw it on YouTube on some guy's channel, and I'm like, I'm gonna do that. And I have tools. I have my own tools. So I cut the hole in the bowls, use some E600, 6000. Is it E6000 glue?
I'm not sure.
That's strong glue.
Okay.
That's what I use. That's strong glue. Glued that together, put the beads on there, and then I wrapped the cord because it was just black, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I have macrame cording because, of course, I macrame too. So I have macrame cording. I just wrapped it in the cording to make it look a little bit more uniform to the color and the scheme. And then I put the light fixture in from the top, screwed it on, hung it up. And
you forgot to talk about the bowls.
What about the bowls? Those are the 2 bowls.
I know, but I think it's really cool how you did that with 2 bowls. Like, well, I guess you did explain.
Well, yeah, I cut the hole in both bowls, make sure it was centered where I wanted it to be. And this is what it looks like underneath.
That is so cool.
And
I love that.
This is what it looks like from the top. Can you see it?
Yes, but that looks so good.
Thank you. And then it just gives a nice ambiance to the room.
It does. It definitely does.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Wow.
voila.
I like that.
Just something cute and simple.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Thank you, Brittany.
And next time you do, you said you're gonna do a mirror. I'm gonna come over for that.
I'm working on my mirror right now.
Oh, okay. Do you mind?
Do you want to see?
Yes, we do.
Destruction of it.
Yes. Or do you want to wait?
You can see it.
Okay.
Because I fiddle with stuff until I get it the way I like it.
Okay.
So you want me to bring it out here?
Do you want me? Either way.
If you'd like to come with me, come up. Okay. So here in my little office, I painted the walls. Just so happened that I poured the paint back into the paint can, and I noticed a couple of spots. Well, the can had the lighter color, not the darker color.
Okay.
So I'm going to put some wallpaper over here, maybe like stencil the wall. But
that would be nice.
And I'm going to redo this chair too. Of course, it's got to be cream. It's got to or brown, something soft and plush. But anyway, so I have this old mirror that, like, you know, the frame falling apart and all that kind of stuff. So I am going to add some of these.
Oh, that's gonna look cute.
Wooden sticks all around it, and I need to angle it because the pattern in my pillows on my couch have that kind of like sprout. And then I'll just put those straight. But anyway, and cut them when I get done. Sand it down a little bit. But this will be my mirror that will go in there next to my lamp and whatnot. And I'll put it up there. But yeah, it's still in the workings. It'll be done.
That's cute.
Thanks.
Oh,
Jesus.
It may be done, it may not.
Right.
Oh my God. Thanks for showing us, Mom. That really is really nice. Good morning. So today I am running a couple errands really early. I just left Walmart and now I'm in the line for some coffee. I've started drinking Dunkin' Donuts in the morning instead of Starbucks. Sometimes I make my coffee at home. Took my seatbelt off while I was at the line so I could, I was trying to fix my hair, but I didn't have a ponytail holder, so it's just gonna stay like this. But yeah, I've really been enjoying Dunkin' Donuts drinks over Starbucks, which is really strange because normally when I get out, my drink of choice would be Starbucks. I do make coffee at home too through my Keurig, but like if I'm out and I just want a drink, find my card. Normally Starbucks is my go-to. Excuse me. So I've really been liking their cookie butter cold brew. It's really, really good. Yes, please. Thank you. So this is what the cookie butter cold brew looks like. I got a small and it tastes so good. I'm thinking of, I did taste another Dunkin' Donuts drink too. I forgot the name of it. But I'm thinking of doing like taste tests with the Dunkin' Donuts drinks like I used to do at Starbucks and bringing them to the channel. But if you have not tried this cookie butter cold brew from Dunkin' Donuts, I highly suggest you try it. If you have tried it, vouch with me. Let everyone know how good these are in the comments because these are really, really good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the vlog here. I'll be back with you all in just a little bit. Hey everyone, so I am in the car obviously and I'm about to head home. Just a recap of everything. I'm trying to think of everything I did today. So I started off the day by going to Walmart. I did not vlog that. I also got some coffee at Dunkin' Donuts. I didn't finish all of my coffee, which I normally don't. I just like to sip on it and get a boost of energy and then I'm kind of done with it. It was really, really good. After that, I did some editing in the car. Sometimes I do that if I'm out and I have time. I'll just go ahead and make the most of the time. I also went to look for some different Christmas ornaments. I'll let you see what I found. The idea that I had for my Christmas, like the Christmas decor that I was looking for, did not come out as I visioned because I wanted something to go on the side of my door. Like when Thanksgiving was here, and for Halloween I had like a pumpkin on the outside of my door. I had a mat that was like fall themed, and I had a wreath on my door. So I changed out the wreath to like this decorative hangy thing. I may show you all when I get home, and then it'll have to be in another vlog, but this decorative thing, or I don't know, I may include a picture here, I'm not sure. But then I also got some trees. I got some smaller trees, the kind of trees that you find like in department stores on desk, or like if you go into a school building, they may have a tree on a desk or a table. So I got some small trees because I wanted to put the small trees outside of my door, like in the corner where my pumpkin was. Well, when I got home and I got the tree hooks, I was just thinking that I was going to stick the ornaments on there and have them outside by my door. So I showed my sons, and they were like, no, I don't think you should put it there. It doesn't look good. But anyways, I decided to not put the trees out there. So then I was like, okay, I took the tags off of the trees. I threw away the ornament packaging. So like, what should I do now? And so I decided to put the trees in my bathroom. And I really don't, it looks awkward. Like, it looks awkward because I don't have the hooks, and the ornaments that I stuck on the trees, they just don't flow right. It just doesn't look good to me. So I have to figure out like how I'm going to add either some more ornaments to the tree, or I just need to find some other ornaments completely, because I do want something outside still, and I do want something in my bathroom. I want the whole house to have sprinkle, like just a sprinkle of holiday cheer everywhere. I want it to look like a Christmas themed. So as I mentioned in some other vlogs last year, I'm getting more into decor and just wanting to have fun with making everything feel homey. So I'm going to work on that some more. I'll show you all what I'm referring to in this video. I decided I'm just going to show you all in this video, and give me some suggestions or ideas of how I can make it look better, or where I should put it. And then also give me some ideas on what I should put outside. Like, what should I put outside? All right, so here are the two little trees that I got. And I don't know why my ornaments, it seems like I'm losing more ornaments, but I got these gift ornaments to go on the tree. I did not get any clips like I mentioned, and I'll have to get that in a minute. So I got a star, and I was gonna put it outside, but I told you all why I didn't do that. And then the other one, poor tree, I haven't done anything to this one, but I just don't like them. I put them in the bathroom. Don't really like them there, so they're just like here. I think I need to add some more stuff to the tree, maybe some mini candy canes, maybe some more, I don't know. Let me know what I should do with these trees though, please. I have had them in the bathroom, but I'm not really feeling them there either. So let me know. I'm open to your suggestions. Maybe a stand or a sign, or I don't know, because I don't have enough space. I live in a townhome. I don't have enough space to put like a blow up type of thing outside, like when I had my yard in my house. And so I don't know. I have to figure it out. So let me know if you have any ideas. I do want to thank you all for watching Vlogmas. I want to remind you all to comment. If you comment under Vlogmas, the first 5 comments will get a shout out in the next video. Also, if you want your business featured, I'm doing features as well. All you have to do is go over to my website, keepingupwithbrittany.com. Leave your business information, so like your business name, your website, any special discounts that you want to have me include, or any highlights of your business. Go leave that for me on my website, keepingupwithbrittany.com. All the way at the bottom, there's a forum section. You can fill out that forum section with all of your business information, and then also be sure to enroll in the mailing list. There's a pop-up when you go to the website. And once you do that, just go back to this video and click done, and I'll be able to review, and you will possibly get a business shout out in my next video. So be sure to take advantage of that if you are an entrepreneur as well. I do want to thank you all for tuning in. I want to thank you all for your support, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.